Before we jump in, I want you to imagine something. Imagine a world where your ideas don't stay in your head, they turn into videos instantly. Because that world is already here. Today, you don't need a camera crew. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need years of editing experience. All you need is an idea and the power of artificial intelligence. Welcome to the future of creativity. Every day, people are building entire scenes, short films, animations, and viral clips using nothing more than a few lines of text. And that's exactly what this channel is about, unlocking your creativity and showing you how to turn imagination into video using AI. Now let's talk about something important. When you see these beautiful AI reels, smooth shots, cinematic frames, characters that look alive, you might think, wow, I could never make something like that. But you can, and I'm here to show you how. The truth is, AI doesn't replace your creativity, it multiplies it. Think of it like this. You bring the idea, AI brings the speed. Together you create something that didn't exist yesterday. So let's break it down. If you want to create your first AI video, start small. Pick a simple idea, one sentence is enough. Something like, a camera slowly moves through a futuristic city at sunset. Or, a girl opens a glowing book and the light reveals a magical world. That's it, just one sentence. AI tools don't need perfection, they need direction. Give them a mood, a vibe, a visual detail, and they'll build the rest. And here's where things get fun. When you start experimenting, you'll notice something magical. The more specific you get, the better your results become. Instead of saying, a man walking in the rain, try, a man in a dark blue coat walks under neon lights as rain hits the camera lens. Feel the difference? Your creativity shapes the entire video. But video creation isn't just about visuals. It's about energy, emotion, rhythm, movement. So I want you to start thinking like a storyteller. Ask yourself, what moment am I trying to capture? What emotion should the viewer feel? What kind of camera movement brings this scene to life? Because AI can generate the video, but only you can decide what it means. And here's another tip. Don't be afraid to remix ideas. See a cool shot? Rebuild it in your own style. Find a trend? Give it your own twist. The most creative AI videos come from mixing inspiration with experimentation. Remember, every viral clip you've ever seen started as an idea. Just one moment of curiosity. You can create your own moments too. And if you ever feel stuck, don't worry. That's why this channel exists. To give you ideas, guidance, tutorials, and inspiration. Every reel you see here is made to spark something in you, to show you possibilities, to teach you tricks and techniques that help you grow. Whether you want to improve your prompts, build cinematic scenes, or master AI editing, you're in the right place. We're entering a new era of creativity, one where imagination is the only limit. And if you're watching this, I want you to know something important. You're not late. You're early. You're ahead of millions of people who haven't discovered what AI can create. You're standing at the beginning of a massive creative revolution, and this is your chance to ride that wave. So keep experimenting, keep learning, keep creating, because the next breathtaking AI video might come from you. And trust me, you have no idea how powerful your ideas can become until you give them a chance to live. Welcome to this journey. Welcome to the future of video creation. And most importantly, welcome to your new creative self.